Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this simple illustration of this house in the forest. It's very easy lesson, so let's get started. To continue with this lesson, let's pick the brush, now to sketching and select 6B pencil. Change the size here to 100% and the color to pure black. Now the first step of this lesson is to create one simple curvy line. Now from the previous lessons you know why I'm doing this curvy line, so I will not explain it this time. Now again, zoom in a little bit and let's continue with this side of the house. Draw simple straight line like this and stop here. Now the other line will be around this position here. This time the line is higher. You can connect these lines like this. See? Alright. Now the next step is to make these lines longer. Not too much, but this will do the job. Now when we're done with this step, zoom in a little bit here and draw a straight line like this. And the same on this side also. And now connect these two lines like this. This will be the roof. Now take the eraser, go to the eraser and sketching and select again the 6B pencil. Zoom in a little bit and now delete this part. Alright, now the next step is to draw the chimney. Go again to the brush and the center straight line. Create another one like this and finish the shape like this one. Now at this point just connect these two lines to create a triangle. And this will be for the chimney. Some wavy lines for the smoke. And this will be for the house. Now to finish it, we just need to create some wood texture. And we'll do that by not pressing too much. Just drawing some curvy lines like this. There you go. Now we just need to add some atmosphere with the trees. Let's draw one straight line here. And finish the shape like this. Leave some space here. Now let's draw a couple more trees. One here. This time is higher, see, at the level of the smoke. And another one, the last one, with the height of this one. Alright, now it's time for the back trees. You know how to do them. Just the same as this one, but don't press too much. And this will be for this simple illustration. Now you can click the arrow and place it at the center of your canvas. Zoom in a little bit, and we're ready with this illustration of the simple house in the forest.